Yeah.
No response.
Good morning, Mr. Chauke. How are you? Bo Chauke. Bo Chauke, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for joining the meeting. I can see also Ruzani. How are you, Ruzani?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm very fine.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So we are about to start our meeting. And the meeting is about training on how to use the EBSCOHOST. The EBSCOHOST is the database that we, the library, have subscribed to for your use. So it is wise for you to know how to search it, especially during this time where you are working outside the library, the university, and I am also working out from home. Bovere, thank you so much for joining the meeting. I can see that you have joined. You are welcome. And I was still explaining the importance of this meeting so that you are able to come again.
No, you can continue. I was complaining about the network this site.
Oh, okay. And before I start, if I move very fast, please let me know that I am moving very fast. Or if you don't get the point that I am making, please make me aware. And thank you once again. And I believe you do have some notepad and a pen where you are going to write some of the steps that I will be indicating, so that when you get stuck, you will have to refer to those steps. Thank you so much. And let us start with our training. We are going to I am going to train you on how to use or how to search the articles that you are going to use for your research proposal, for your articles or for this, what we call writing your review, literature review. You need a lot of information. So without this database, the knowledge of searching it, you are going to be stuck. So I don't want you to get stuck. I am Boma Wasane. I am the school's information librarian. I believe you know me, so I think you are going to use me for your own benefits. Following the meeting that we have, the school board meeting that I attended, the school's students rep indicated that we have to support you as much as possible so that you make it also during this year, which is an unusual year. So our training starts like this. Is the University of Venda. Sorry, this is our table of content. On our table of content, we have Google page, the Univen website page, the Univen Library web page, the list of library databases, the login page, EBSCOHOST web page, the search page, the result page, and the conclusion. It is not a long training, but it is worth it. In order to search our databases, you have to have the internet. So you go to Google, and I believe each and every student can open the Google page. On the Google page, click and type in here on the URL tab, or on this tab here, write www.univen.ac.za. All small letters, no space. And after checking that you have typed in the website correctly, it is going to open automatically to our University of Venda website page. This is our website page, the University of Venda. And then on the website page, on this page, the following tabs will appear. This is the menu of the university. We have home, about, student, school, research, library, alumni, and news. So the training is about searching for information that is going to enable you to do your schoolwork, your studies, your assignment, your projects, your research. So we cannot go to research, we cannot find information. In schools, we don't have information that can help you to compile your studies. Then the only place where you can visit to find the articles that will enable you to compile your research proposal is the library. Then choose and click the library tab like that, and it is going to bring you in this page. This is the University of Venda Library website page. Below the university menu here, we have the library menu below. On the Univen Library menu, we have Home, About Us, Library Databases, Catalog, Training, LibGuides, Services and Facilities, Press Reader, Institutional Repository, Exam, Staff, and User Feedback. So in the library, yes, we find a number of information. So we are looking for e-resources. For us to be able to access the e-resources, then we have to come and click on the library databases. Click like that, and it is going to open us the list of library databases that the library has subscribed to for your use. We have a number of databases that we are subscribed to. Most of these databases are multidisciplinary in nature, meaning that all of the students in our university can use these databases to their own advantage. But we also have the specialized databases, like for example, the Emerald, which is a management database. We also have the Science Direct, which is multidisciplinary in nature with the strong emphasis on the sciences. You can also use it and benefit from using this database. So as you see this sign here, it means that we have the opportunity to scroll downwards to find another databases. And we also have the useful databases that you can also use to your own benefit. Today's training is about EBSCOHOST. So the EBSCOHOST is above here, is the first database on our list. To open it, just come and click on the name EBSCOHOST. Then it is going to open and bring us in the login page. This page is very important because our proceeding depend on getting access from this page. So it is important for you that when you are typing in your login details, make it sure that you are writing it correctly. No mistake, because if you write in your name incorrectly, it is going to deny you access. If you write in your student number incorrectly, it is not going to identify you as the Univen student. So this is our login page. we have the first tab here. You will have to type in your name and surname. After that, you will have to come and click on the second tab where you have to type in your student number because you are a student. And for staff members, they have to type in their staff number. Then after checking that your details are correct, then you will have to come and click on this submit button to submit your login. It will open and bring us to the EBSCOHOST web page. Then to open the EBSCOHOST, we have to come and click on the EBSCOHOST web like this. It has opened the page where we have the EBSCOHOST database. This is the EBSCOHOST database. And as I have already indicated that it is a multidisciplinary database, within the EBSCOHOST database, there are a number of databases that are listed in this database. As you can see, this indicates that we do have the allowance to scroll down and find a number of databases. These databases are arranged alphabetically. As you can see, we have the academic search complete, followed with the Agricola. These databases are not relevant for the student from the School of Education, but we are also catered for. We are still going to scroll down so that we arrive to the databases that that are relevant to us. So as you can see, below the database here, there are some text. When we want to establish whether the database is relevant to us or not, you will have to come and read on this text, and you are going to find if you are going to get what you would like to use in your research proposal or in your literature review. Then to choose the database, there is a box next to each and every database. When you click inside the box, it means that you are choosing it. So we are not going to click on the box next to academic or Agricola. We are going to click and open the continuation of our database list where we have the ERIC database. The ERIC database, ERIC is just an abbreviation. It just stands for Education Resource Information Center. Can I pause a little bit and get some questions.
So far we have covered. If we don't have a question, you can continue, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Then this is Eric, and you will have to come and read below Eric. This is the database that is relevant to the student of education. You can find most of the information which is relevant for the compilation of your studies. So you can, to choose it, you click on the box. As you can see, the tick will appear and the color of the database change immediately. To choose another database that is relevant to your studies, continue to scroll down until the last database, which is Teacher Reference Center. Read below the Teacher Reference Center to check if the database is relevant to you. Yes, this database is relevant, and then to use it, to search within it, just come and tick on the box next to it. As I have already indicated, with the ERIC database, it is going to change the color, and then the tick will appear on the box next to the database to show that you have chosen to search within it. Then after that, you will have to come and click on the continue button here. Or if you don't want to click on this one, maybe there is something that you want to verify on the top of the databases list, you can scroll upwards. You are going to find another continue tab which you can click to continue. Then it has opened us the search page where we are going to do our searches. This is our search page. I believe each and everyone has his or her topic. So from your topic, you will have to choose the search terms that you are going to use, that you are going to key, so that you are able to retrieve information that will be relevant to your topic. Let us take, for example, my topic is teenage pregnancy and education. So I am going teenage pregnancy and education in South Africa. I'm going to take teenage pregnancy education South Africa. Those are going to be my keywords. So you are going to choose your keywords according to your topic. Then type them on this tab. And when you are typing your keywords, make sure that the spelling is correct. Then after verifying your spelling, you can come and click on the search tab to submit your search. It is going to open and bring you to the search result page. This is our search result. The result page, the search result of the teenage, pregnancy, and education. Here is the number of the search that we have retrieved, 802, and it is indicating that search result is 1 up to 10 of 802. What does that mean? It only means that on this page, the page that we are in, the search result page contains 1 up to 10 articles that we can search from it for the relevant article that we can use. And after searching in 1 up to 10 articles and find that we still need more, or we have not yet find something that we want to use, then below this list of articles, below the 10th article, you are going to find the next tab where you can click and open the next page. So on your left hand side, we have the limiter or the refine results. As you can see, the number of the search results seem to be a little bit larger. So you can refine your search here by making use of the balloon or the phrases where you can write teenage pregnancy and education, teenage pregnancy, and South Africa. Or you can come and limit your research, your search result by just coming and tick next to the box, on the box next to full text, meaning that the result is going to be updated immediately, automatically, and we are going to remain with the full text only. If you come and re-click on the box, then you are going to get the original search results again. If you come and say, no, I would prefer to use the peer-reviewed article, then you come and click on the box next to it, and it is going to automatically bring or update the search result, bringing all the articles that are peer-reviewed only. So you can also make use, when you scroll downwards, you are going to find where you can limit your search, making use of the date. You can say, no, I want the most recent articles. and click on the tab there, which is provided, indicate the year, maybe saying that I would like to make use of the articles starting from 2015 to 2020. Then it is going to update and give you the most recent articles. Then let us open, or let's scroll down to the fourth article. This is our fourth article. We are still on the search result page. So you read the title of the article and find it interesting. Before you open the PDF, this here, with this sign here, which indicate that you are going to find the full text, then click on this tab here. It is going to give you the abstract or summary. Read the summary or that abstract, and if you feel that the article is going to be relevant for what you want to use it for, then come and click to open the article on this sign on the full text PDF full text, like that. It is going to click and open as to the full text article. This is our full text article. As you can see, if you scroll downwards, you are going to get the references, and you can come and click on the plus sign here to increase the font size. If the font size is too big for you, you can come and click on the minus sign here to decrease the font size. Here it is indicating above here, 1/21. It simply means that this is page 1 of 21 pages of this article. Then this article will always appear with the options to download or to print and to rotate. Sometimes it's going to also give you the option to save, but in case there is not that option is not provided, then click inside the text here. It is going to give you the options that just choose save and follow the instruction in the dialog box. As simple as that, you are going to be able to save your full text article. Let us continue with our full text. On the right-hand side, this is our helpful icons. Explore them. They are not difficult to use. The second one is the print icon. You will be able to use it if you are connected to the printer. We have the email here. If you click on this box, it is going to give you the dialog box where it is going to request for the email address of the person whom you want to send the article to. You can also write your own email address, and when you open your email address, you're going to get this article. We also have the site. With the site tab, the different referencing styles are indicated, and I believe that you know which referencing style your school is following. So you have to be consistent with that referencing style. When you are referencing and you are no longer sure of what to do, just come and click on this tab where you are going to find site. It is going to give you the different types of referencing styles, like for example, Harvard, APA, Chicago Harvard, and many more others. So what I can advise you is, when referencing, please take note of things like just the full stop. You don't just write it randomly. The comma, the colon, you don't just write it wherever you like. They are arranged, and you have to follow the arrangement. And if you violate the arrangement, it means that you are going to fail the referencing style. And let me tell you that referencing contains a number of marks, and referencing is about research. You cannot write the research if you are unable to reference. Also check the in-text referencing. It is also going to show you how to in-text your referencing. And this is going to make your work, your research proposal, look good, or your literature review. Good luck in your training, and I believe you have grabbed some 2 ideas that are going to help you. What I can urge you is to practice more often, and whenever you get stuck, I am just an email away. Just email me. I will assist you. So what I can also urge is that please assist those who are still struggling on how to attend their online meetings, trainings, and workshops. Not long, I will be training a student on how to search the previous question papers, because they are indicating that they are preparing their exams So they would like to be trained on how to search the previous question paper on the library's catalog. The training on how to search the library, the question papers will be on the library's catalog. It is going to be done online. This is my phone number. This is my email address, nkangweni.mawasane@univen.ac.za. The location of my office is the first floor. Thank you so much, student. I can open for any question. Rofiwa.
Oh, ma'am, I just want to check if we only get articles from the database, or do we also get some prescribed books?
On the database, you don't get some prescribed books. You have articles only.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Another question. I can say, is it, oh, let me go to Chauke, what Chauke? Chauke, are you there? Chauke?
Hello.
I'm Shane.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
I don't understand.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, namitwa manje.
Ma'am,
Do you have a question?
hello.
Hello?
Okay, yeah. I wanted to ask a question. Yes, I want to ask a question.
Yes, you can ask.
I'm asking what may I hold up to? Yeah, I'm sure that way. Ma'am, hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hello? I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Manitwa.
I can hear you, but I'm. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, clearly now.
Okay. I wanted to check because some of us have borrowed some textbooks from the library, and we were told that we are not allowed to come to the campus. I just wanted to check as to what will happen with those textbooks that we are having. Are we going to be
fined?
To pay some be fined or not?
I don't think so, because it is not your mistake. But what I can do is to give you the number or the email address of the person concerned, just to let them know that you do have the book. But I don't think, how are you going to be able to send back the books, as you are not allowed to be around in the campus? I am going to use your email address to give you the name and email address of the person concerned. Yeah. Another person, another question or comment? Oh, Ropiwa.
Yes, I just want to check, when are you going to do the training for teaching of question papers?
Thank you.
Immediately. Immediately.
Will you notify us about the date and time?
Yes. Yes.
Thank
But
you very much.
what I will urge and request you to do is to let others know. Some of the students are unable to I don't know what is happening with their email address. Just let them know that we will, I will be training you on how to search the question papers. Please, I will be so glad because I know that you are preparing your exams that are around the corner.
Yes, I will let them know.
Yeah, there are a number of them. They sent me their email addresses, but they were not able to attend the meeting. Another comment or question?
This is just a comment. Can you schedule the time? The time is not suitable for most of us as we are still at work. Can you schedule the meeting for the training, maybe after 2 if it's possible?
That's, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. It left my mind.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. What time is going to suit you?
Probably 3 o'clock is fine, but if maybe it's not okay with you, maybe 2:30 at least.
Hi, for me, I am always ready for you, student.
Let's say 3 o'clock is to be fine.
Thank you so much.
I suggest we start by 4 o'clock.
You suggest 4 o'clock?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I think that's the time where everybody will be at home. That's the time that's going to be suitable for most of us.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I can see Bojauke again. Bojauke. Mr. Chauke. Mr. Chauke, I can see your hand is up. I can't hear you, Mr. Chauke. Speak to me, Mr. Chauke. Hello? Are you still there? Okay. In the absence of questions, I would like to thank you so dearly. Thank you so much. Let us meet when I will be training you on how to search the previous question paper. God bless you. Hello?
Hello.
Ahe?
I wanted to comment with regard to time.
Yeah.
Can't we make it 3 o'clock? Because 2:30, some of us will be at work. Maybe if it's 3 o'clock or 3:30, it will be fine. Not 2:30.
Another person suggested 4 o'clock or 4:30. What about 4:30 or 4?
Yeah,
It will-
4:30 or 4, it's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ahe.
I just wanted to ask another question, ma'am.
Okay.
I want to ask whether this meeting is going to be repeated or not, because some of us, we've just entered now. We were in class. So I just want to know if this meeting is going to be repeated again or not, because we didn't hear what was happening since 12 o'clock.
Yes. I can repeat it. I will have rescheduled it for 4:30 so that I will be accommodating all the people.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.